Hi, Mujib. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Thank you for this session. That's
Uh-huh.
first. Second, Mujib, when you mentioned karma,
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to understand uh, the money related part and karma. Sometimes maybe my spirit already said because of past experiences or because whatever I have said that in this life maybe I won't have that much money, right? That could be a possibility or no?
Uh, I feel personally it's about the experiences.
Yeah.
So, if you consider, um, I have so and so plan in this life.
Hmm.
Now you can go through it, but there is an accelerated way where you can understand why did you design, what are you trying to learn out of it.
Correct.
So, the example which we took was generations and generations going through material
Hmm.
indulgence, forgetting who they are. And the next
Okay.
generations who are following up, and in the process, they can generate lot of curses, lots of take lots of oaths and vows because of harming others, and
Hmm.
that can make the following generations balance for them. Now,
Hmm.
balancing, if it is out of unawareness, they can get into totally spirituality with a guilt, which happened because of indulging into material reality. So
Hmm.
again, out of that incompletion, we may end up creating incompletion. Though we are integrating, it happens sooner or later. It's going to happen. But the accelerated way is
Hmm.
seeing why did we go through that experience where we completely forgot who we were, and then integrating, saying that maybe there was a brilliance behind going through all those curses, all those words. They probably are helping us to learn something.
Hmm.
Then you can open up to the money, prosperity with the spiritual awareness. So there is a balance.
Balance, alignment.
Yeah. If we
Hmm.
follow this idea of balancing with unawareness, we probably end up creating more imbalance, because the
Hmm.
seed thought which we start is important.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Anybody else? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Make use of this time. Purvi, yes. You can raise your hand. You'll be added to a queue. I'm getting that queue here. Geeta, you have raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Yeah, there have been so many instances where we gave money to to friends, like investment, like to buy something, and it has not come back to us.
So, what you need to ask in such scenarios is, if you felt betrayed by that, you ask yourself, I recognize my, you just recite, I recognize my need for this experience of betrayal. As I was talking the other day, this, if you are feeling, because you may have different feelings under the different learnings under the same scenario. Not having money can make you feel let down. I mean, not having money from them coming back can make you feel let down, or feel betrayed, or helpless, or powerless. So you first identify how are you feeling because of it. Just to take an example, if you feel betrayed, you can start recognizing, I recognize my need for this experience of betrayal. As we say, we are the co-creators, and this experience of betrayal we design, because whenever that happens, we turn inwards and say it's not worthy enough to trust people. So in the process, you become self-reliant. Maybe you start owning up your own financial decisions. In the process, you become more aware of the finances. So you take charge of your own finances. So when you ask, I recognize the brilliance behind my need for so and so experience, you'll get an idea. Did it answer in any way? You are on mute. If you can unmute and
I recognize the brilliance
Behind
behind
this experience, you start with that. So
behind behind the need for this experience of
you
betrayal.
start first, you recognize the experience itself
Hmm.
and let your subconscious mind guide you towards the need. So when you say this, when you recite this, you
Hmm.
may get a visual from your childhood, you may get a memory, you may get a picture. So you don't
Hmm.
need to go through that. You just keep recognizing whatever you get. And
Okay.
sometimes you'll instantly get an idea what your subconscious mind is trying to tell. If
Hmm.
you don't get it,
Hmm.
um, you start recognizing it. For example, you started reciting, I recognize my need for this experience. All of a
Hmm.
sudden, you may remember a movie scene where the hero is being put down, betrayed, or and out of revolt, he built a business.
Hmm.
So somewhere it may be trying to tell something, that to be self-reliant with your own finances, or anything else. It's up to your subconscious mind. So if you don't understand it, keep recognizing whatever picture, thought, memory, feeling. Sometimes it comes in form of a pain and ache in your body. Keep recognizing whatever comes till the end. Also, if you don't understand, these statements can integrate those parts of you. That is the beauty about it. If you are not even aware, because this is a subconscious process, subconscious mind stored some information, manifested this experience for a reason. Now when you recognize it, it gives the subconscious mind an opportunity to remember and realign these memories in such a way where you can learn in more harmonious ways. What you
Okay.
need to do is just keep recognizing it until your body feels lighter. If your body is responding, or if you are seeing visually, keep recognizing it until you go blank.
Okay.
These are powerful statements. Just recognizing, being aware itself is the process of healing and integration. It will happen on its own.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you.
Anju, yes, you have raised your hand. Please go ahead. Anju Manohar.
That
Yeah.
time past 1.5 years.
Your voice is very low. Can you? It's very faint.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, go ahead.
So, Manju, we have not been able to pay up our bank loans for the past almost 2 years. And we are trying to sell the house also since 1.5 years, and it's not getting sold. So is there something that could help here?
How can you tell me about your Geeta? Could you please mute? Could you please tell me about your money pattern?
My money pattern has been very, very erratic all my life.
Okay.
Childhood, lot of difficulties with money. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
then I have been a single parent for very long.
Okay.
And even after I got married later,
Mm-hmm.
there were money issues in the sense means I think I was the one who was actually more the earning member and taking care of, so the masculine energy I think was stronger for me. And past few years, there has been a slight lull with money
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
since 2017. Now,
Mm-hmm.
after I started doing radical since the last year, my money's flows have opened up and a lot of things have shifted and changed with radical.
Okay.
Yet I'm not able
So,
to the bank loan. Sorry, please.
so what you can start working with is your openness to be supported. As you're saying, probably some things have happened where um, the masculine energy was not there. So those memories are, say, normally what happens, we say the masculine and feminine balance. It could be a learning process where you are going through severe unsupported feeling
Yeah,
or
that's right.
yeah. are rejecting. And when we say you're going through severe unsupported feeling, if it is a learning, maybe you're here to lead a life being completely supported in every aspect of your life.
Mm-hmm.
Start with recognizing all those memories. You can, when you are in a calmer space, you can note down all the memories where you felt unsupported. A simple exercise, what you can do is you can create a chart like 0 to 10 years, 10 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years, and recognize all those memories where you felt unsupported, maybe by your father, maybe by all the masculine principles,
Mm-hmm.
and start saying, I recognize the brilliance behind this experience.
Okay.
Once all of these memories settle down, your subconscious mind will start guiding you towards. You can use this statement: I safely awaken the possibility to be supported with radical.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Great.
If it is a pattern, then definitely it would be helpful to open up to support.
Sure. Thank you so much.
And there could be several reasons. So something like you got supported last time and it was taken in a wrong way. You were supported and you were restricted. There would be associations related to support. That's where the subconscious mind rejects it in first place. As you start recognizing them, all of it will come up and it will settle down.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you so
so
much.
much.
Anybody else? All right, awesome. I think we are good for the day. Thank you so much for being with us for last 5 days, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Mujib. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Lata.
Mujib. Thank you,
Thank you,
Mujib.
Rina. Thank you,
Thank
Thank you.
Dolly.
you.
Have a good day.
Thank you,
Thank you
Sudhir. You
much.
too. You too.
Thank
Thank you,
you so much,
Manali.
Mujib.
Thank you, Pala.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Pala. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you. Thank you
Anju.
very much.
Thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you.
Aruna, we are winding up the meeting. You have joined, I think, a little late. So what I'll do is I'll share the recording with you. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravi.